Thanks for stopping by today. Today I got this old water heater. We'll take off all the valuable metals off of it. Shouldn't take us very long. We're going to need some type of pipe wrench for this. There's really not much value in this. A small piece of brass on there I could take off later. Got this overflow valve. I'll have to take that apart. That should take a few minutes. This control valve's got a piece of brass on it. Looks like it's just a straight screwdriver and a little bit of work to get this apart. About an extra $6 or $7 worth of valuable metal rather than just bringing in like that to a scrapyard. The water heater's the older one, so there is a little bit more copper and brass than the newer ones. And the water heater probably weighs about 70 pounds. Total estimated value probably about $11 with all the extra brass and copper. You're not going to get that on the newer water heaters. A lot of the fittings are plastic or aluminum on the newer ones. Hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for following along. We'll see you in the next video.